The shocking benefits of adding this powder to your coffee. Coffee isn't just your morning pick-me-up energy boost. For millions of seniors, it could be either draining your strength or helping you rebuild it faster than the most expensive supplement. After 60, your body naturally loses up to 8% of muscle each decade, increasing the risk of weakness, falls, and even early death. But when you mix coffee with the right natural ingredients, that same cup can become a powerful medicine. Hidden in little-known studies, these simple additions have been shown to reduce inflammation, protect your arteries, burn stubborn belly fat, and even rebuild lost muscle. Big corporations won't tell you this, because there's no billion-dollar profit in these powerful ingredients. But today, you'll discover 8 proven additions you can stir into your coffee every morning, ranked from number 8 all the way to number 1. Stay till the end, because the number 4 ingredient has been shown to improve mobility in seniors by over 40%, yet hardly anyone in the West is using it. Before we start, let me ask you, how old are you, and how's your health been lately? Drop it in the comments. We reply to every single comment. And if you enjoy learning about natural health, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip. Alright, let's dive in. Number 8, cinnamon. Cinnamon isn't just for desserts. When added to coffee, it becomes a natural protector for your muscles. It's packed with compounds that fight inflammation, improve blood flow, and keep your blood sugar stable. That last point is crucial for seniors to improve muscle energy and prevent fatigue. Unstable blood sugar causes insulin spikes that make it harder for your muscles to absorb nutrients. Cinnamon helps smooth those spikes, giving your body steady fuel. Just half a teaspoon in your morning coffee can make a real difference. For best results, use Ceylon cinnamon, also called true cinnamon. It has lower levels of a compound called coumarin, making it safer for daily use. Cinnamon adds natural flavor without sugar, no calories, and no crash. Simple, affordable, and effective, a great way to turn your coffee into a metabolism booster. Number 7, cocoa powder. Yes, cocoa, the same ingredient used for hot chocolate. But it becomes a powerful superfood when you add it unsweetened to coffee. Cocoa is rich in flavonols, which help improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and support muscle recovery. As we age, circulation slows, making muscles stiff and weak. Cocoa helps open up your blood vessels so oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles better. Use unsweetened, natural cocoa powder, not the sugary drink mixes. Just 1 teaspoon stirred into your cup gives a rich taste and supports better blood flow, energy, and recovery. Together, cocoa and coffee create a powerful combo, caffeine for energy and cocoa flavonols for better circulation. Number 6, coconut oil or MCT oil. This one might surprise you. Adding coconut or MCT oil to coffee is common in Asia, and it's an amazing way to fuel both body and brain. MCTs, medium-chain triglycerides, are special fats that turn quickly into ketones, a clean energy source that doesn't rely on sugar. This keeps your energy steady, sharpens focus, and supports fat loss. As we age, our cells don't use glucose as efficiently. By giving your body ketones, you get steady, crash-free energy all morning long. Start small with 1 teaspoon blended into your coffee, and increase slowly as your body adjusts. It gives your coffee a creamy texture and helps train your body to burn fat more efficiently. Healthy fats like these keep your muscles and brain strong, proof that energy doesn't have to come from sugar. Number 5, milk or soy milk. Adding milk or soy milk to your coffee may seem simple, but it's actually a smart way to protect muscles and bones. Both options add complete protein, especially the amino acid leucine, which triggers muscle growth. Soy milk adds extra benefits. It's plant-based, heart-healthy, and rich in isoflavones that help protect bone density. Half a cup adds 4 to 6 grams of protein, which helps slow down overnight muscle loss. Choose lactose-free milk if you're sensitive or fortified soy milk if you prefer plant-based. Avoid sugary creamers, they add calories but no nutrition. Milk and soy milk turn your coffee into a light protein drink that supports energy, bones, and muscle strength, all in one cup. Number 4, collagen powder. Collagen isn't just for your skin, it's the glue that holds your muscles, joints, and bones together. After 60, collagen production drops by about 1% each year, which leads to stiffness, joint pain, and slower recovery. Adding collagen powder to your coffee helps refill what your body loses. Each scoop gives about 10 grams of protein and blends easily with no taste. The warmth of coffee helps it dissolve and improves absorption. Collagen supports stronger muscles, flexible joints, and better bone density, and studies show it can improve mobility by up to 40% in older adults. It's one of the simplest ways to move easier, recover faster, and stay active as you age. Number 3, whey protein powder. Many people think protein powder is only for bodybuilders, but for seniors, whey protein is a game changer. After 60, your body becomes resistant to protein, meaning you need higher quality sources to rebuild muscle effectively. Whey is rich in leucine, which activates your body's muscle-building switch. Adding a scoop of unflavored whey isolate to your morning coffee gives your muscles the boost they need. It blends smoothly, adds no sugar, and delivers complete protein right when your body is ready to use it. Research shows that older adults who take whey daily gain more strength, balance, and mobility compared to those who don't. If you're sensitive to dairy, use whey isolate or hydrolyzed whey for easier digestion. This small habit can help you stay strong and independent for years to come. Number 2, chia seeds. Chia seeds may look tiny, but they're packed with protein, fiber, and omega-3s, all essential for healthy aging. When ground and added to coffee, they support muscle strength, heart health, digestion, and joint comfort. Most older adults don't get enough fiber or omega-3s, which leads to fatigue, stiffness, and slower recovery. Ground chia seeds fix that. They reduce inflammation, balance blood sugar, and help manage belly fat naturally. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons of ground chia in your coffee. They create a creamy texture and release nutrients your body can absorb easily. This small addition can help you feel lighter, stronger, and more energized every day. And finally, number 1, the golden duo, turmeric with black pepper. Turmeric contains curcumin, one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatory compounds ever studied. But your body doesn't absorb it well, unless you add a pinch of black pepper, which increases absorption by up to 2000%. Inflammation is one of the main causes of weakness, stiffness, and aging. Turmeric helps reduce joint pain, protect arteries, and even rebuild muscle strength. When mixed with coffee, the warmth enhances its benefits. Just half a teaspoon of turmeric and a tiny pinch of black pepper in your morning cup can help you move easier and feel younger. If you don't like the earthy taste, balance it with a bit of cinnamon or a drop of honey. This simple combo fights inflammation, protects the heart and brain, and helps your body stay strong and mobile well into your 70s and beyond. Before we wrap up, here's an important reminder. This video is meant solely for educational purposes and should not be taken as medical advice. Everyone's health needs are different, so be sure to consult your doctor or another qualified healthcare provider before adjusting your diet, particularly if you're on medication or have any pre-existing health conditions. Let's quickly recap the 8 powerful coffee boosters for strength after 60. 8. Cinnamon, balances blood sugar and supports muscles. 7. Cocoa, boosts circulation and recovery. 6. MCT or coconut oil, provides steady, clean energy. 5. Milk or soy milk, adds muscle-building protein. 4. Collagen, strengthens joints and mobility. 3. Whey protein, rebuilds muscle faster. 2. Chia seeds, fuel your body with fiber and omega-3s. 1. Turmeric with black pepper, fights inflammation and restores strength. Each of these is simple, affordable, and backed by science. Add 1 or 2 to your daily coffee routine and turn your morning cup into a tool for better health, energy, and longevity. Remember, Aging doesn't have to mean getting weaker. With the right daily habits, you can wake up stronger, sharper, and more energized every single day. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves coffee. Tell me in the comments which one you'll try first, cinnamon, whey, or turmeric. Your morning coffee can either fuel decline or rebuild your strength. The choice is yours. See you in the next video.